let's talk about lowest term. When we talk about lowest term, that is a fraction where the numerator and denominator are relatively prime. Or in other words, these are the fraction that express in simplest form. So we have three fractions here. The 3 over 12, 15 over 40, and 28 over 49. So what will be the step in getting the lowest term of a fraction? So first, we get the GCF of 3 and 12. So let's take the GCF of 3 and 12. So when we're doing GCF, we think of a number that can divide both 3 and 12. So the number is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now, as you can see, 1 and 4 are already relatively prime. So we stop dividing. So the relatively prime, the results that are relatively prime are the new fraction, 1 over 4. So 3 over 12 is 1 over 4. Next, let's have 15 and 40. So let's get the GCF of 15 and 40. Since 15 ends with 5 and 40 ends with 0, this is divisible by 5. So you have here 15 and 40. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Notice that 3 and 8 are both relatively prime because the only GCF now is 1. So the new fraction here is 3 over 8. So 15 over 40 is 3 over 8. Next, you have 28 and 49. So we get the GCF of 28 and 49. So as you notice, 28 and 49 are both multiples of 7 because of 49. So you have here 28 and 49. So we divide both sides by 7. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. 49 divided by 7 is 7. So 4 and 7 are relatively prime because the only number that can divide by 4 and 7 is 1. So you have here 4 over 7. So the new fraction is now 4 over 7.